What's going on? My name is Zay and welcome back to The Grade. Today we're talking about color grading log footage. The benefit in shooting in log is it retains more details in your highlights and shadows and gives you more freedom in post-production to edit. To work with log footage, you need to have a color space transform node. I'm gonna turn this on. And what that is just telling your computer, telling your editor what kind of footage you have. And I was shooting with the FX3. This is gamut.cine for my input color space. My input gamma is S-log3, and I changed that to DaVinci Wide Gamut and DaVinci Intermediate. And because of that, you can swap it. See, this is what it looks like when you do it the wrong way. That looks crazy. I've actually never seen that before. So let me swap that back. But that's an example of what it would do if you do the wrong things for your footage. DaVinci Wide Gamut just gives you that freedom to work with a lot of things in post. The way you structure your node tree out, you're gonna have balance, contrast, saturation. You have all these things in place before you turn this on, and that's your export node. Well, I can't. It's your color space transform, but I can't remember the exact term for it. But this is when you take your input color space of DaVinci Wide Gamma and DaVinci Intermediate and change that to Rec.709 and Gamma 2.4. If you swap that again, it will mess up your footage. And so this is why it's important to know how to color grade log footage, because you could be doing the right steps, but if you have these things labeled wrong, if you're telling your editor these things and you have them incorrectly, your footage will come out looking bad. Thank y'all for tuning in for day 26 of the grade. And day 27, we are talking about how to grade on a budget monitor. Deuces.